I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get complete Form Zygarde. Zygarde is a fascinating Pokémon with multiple forms, each representing a different level of its power. We'll explore how to gather the necessary components to unlock its ultimate state. This process involves collecting specific items scattered across the region, culminating in the assembly of its most powerful form. Let's dive into the details of this unique transformation. To begin your journey, you'll need to find Zygarde cells. These small, glowing green fragments are hidden in various locations across the land. There are exactly 100 cells to collect in total, and each one is crucial for Zygarde's transformation. As you encounter them, simply interact to add them to your special Zygarde cube. This cube is your essential tool for gathering and storing these vital components. Beyond the cells, you must also locate Zygarde cores. These are distinct from cells, as they not only contribute to Zygarde's power, but also teach it powerful new moves. There are precisely 5 cores to discover, each unlocking a unique ability such as Thousand Arrows or Core Enforcer. Finding all 5 cores is vital for Zygarde to reach its full potential and access its most powerful form. With all 100 Zygarde cells and 5 cores collected, you're ready to assemble your complete Form Zygarde. Use the Zygarde cube to combine these components. Crucially, your Zygarde must possess the Power Construct ability. During battle, if its health points fall below 50%, this ability will activate, allowing it to transform into its awe-inspiring complete form, unleashing its full power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.